Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Nelly. If you're new here on this channel, hi. I'm the MD, the manager, the CEO of this channel. And beside me here is my doll, my mannequin, my whatever you may want to call it. I use her for making hair videos because on this channel we make hair videos and every other thing that will make you look beautiful. So do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, drop a comment, and do every other good stuff. All of these things are for free, absolutely free. Okay, to my returning subscribers, you guys already know what we do here on this channel, everything beauty. All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to make twists. Our last video was about how to make braids, so today is going to be how to make twists, and I'm going to be using my model. Are you happy? I'm going to be using her to make twists today and to teach you how to do it. So if this is something that interests you, please do well to stick around, share the video to your friends, your families, your loved ones, and to every other person that you feel like this content is going to be helpful to. Okay, our young ones are growing up and they need handwork, they need something, they need to learn a craft. So please share it, save it, do whatever you need to do to spread the word, spread the learning, spread the teaching. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. Are you ready? Let's go. Come on. Section the part where you want to make. I'll be using this side. So I'll section it just out a bit. Okay, so I'll be using this to show you how to twist. Yeah. So this is the section which I want to use. To twist, you can either braid from the scalp when you're starting, or you twist directly from the scalp. It all depends on what you want. So if, for example, I want to braid from the scalp before I make it a twist, this is how to go about it. Since we already learned how to make braids, we are going to go ahead to pinch this, make our braids into 3, 1. This is the second one. In between these two, I'll put my hand underneath and grab that one. Put my hand underneath these two like this and grab that one. You see, when I braid for like 2, 3 to 4 times, depending, then I can just turn my hand around and either put these two portions, I'll put them in one and use this one as one. So it will now be 2 like this 2. So instead of 3 is now 2. I'll start to twist. Or the reason, or let me say, or if it's like this, you can divide this into 2, put one of this to this and put the other one to that. Yeah, let's do it that way. So it means now that instead of us to have 3 legs, we have 2 legs. So to twist, you twist this one out and this one in. Twist it and turn it. Hold it with your both your thumb finger and your index finger. Twist it like this. Hold and twist. If you are twisting correctly, it will just start to form from here. So look at it. Twist. Twist. If you are twisting it correctly, before you even cross your hand, the twist is already coming out. Look. Are you seeing it? Because I'm twisting these 2 sides. So to twist, you just do like this and do this one out. Remember, your left hand is going out, your right hand is coming in. Let's twist. So even if you twist correctly and you leave this twist down, it won't unravel, it won't loosen. But if you don't twist it well, if you are just turning your hand like this, turning your hand, you are not twisting, it will lose back. So to twist, you do this one out. It's like you are doing your hand like this. So you are twisting it and you are twisting this. Out and in. Are you seeing? Out and in. But you're doing them simultaneously. Not that you will do one first out and you do one in. No, you do them together at the same time. You do them together. You do them together. That's how your twist would come out looking. Look at the twist. Look at the hair. So I'll cut from here now and stop here. Open. Take that one out. Always try to take the hair, the part which you're not making, move it away so that it doesn't get into this one. So you can braid. Take your cut like a section, put your hand immediately into the hair, take the one underneath it like that, take this one, put it just like this. You see, because I have braided like 3 times, and I know that, oh, when I was starting, unintentionally one part is bigger. This part now is bigger than these other 2 parts, but because I have already started the hair and I wouldn't want to loosen the hair and start all over, I would just turn, let me turn my hand around first, because looking at this hair, this one is bigger than this other two. So instead of me to open this one and spread it on the two, I will not do that. I will just join these two together to make the size of this one. So I would join the two together like this to make the size of this one. So I'll just start to twist. So there's no need for me to spread one of the legs into the other two sides. I'll just start to twist. Look at it, twist like this. If you know how to twist, you don't need to put effort. Like, you don't need to put too much effort. Just with ease, you will do it. If you understand the concept of twisting, twist like this. This is the twist. Look at it. You see? So I'm going to be doing a third one. This time around, I won't be braiding from the scalp. I'll twist directly from the scalp. I won't have to braid. So since I've done these two already, let me cut one from here. So I've sectioned this one now so I can get started. This is the one I want to make now. So instead of braiding from the scalp, like I did the other time, I won't braid. I will just start to twist from there, because some people might make that choice from you or that request from you. As a braider or as a hairstylist, you should be able to satisfy every customer based on their request. So this is the hair. I'll just divide it into two, like so, and start to twist, 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 twists. Just keep going. This pattern is a bit more easier and less time consuming, because you won't have to braid before you start to twist. Just twist from the scalp and that's it. And then you go. Yeah, it will come out the same way on the body, but it's just that on the bottom part, this one is showing that, look at it, this one is showing that it was braided before the twist started, but this one is showing that the twist just started from the scalp. There's this idea that people say, oh, if you twist going the other way, it makes your hair bounce more. But I feel like it depends on how you twist the hair. It's not about whether you go from left to right or right to left. It's about how you twist the hair. So I'll cut another one now just to show you the other way that some people tend to twist. I'm used to twisting this way, but that does not mean I don't know how to twist the other way. So that's why it's good to learn different ways of braiding hair, just so that anyone that your clients request for, or anyone that you feel more comfortable doing, you can just go ahead with it. So I'm going to put one here just so that it will drop here. So with this one, I will show you how to twist the other way. So now I wouldn't want to braid because we have already learned how to braid and twist. Now I will just start twisting from the scalp. But this time I won't twist it following this style. You know, this one was going like this. I'll go the other way this time around. So I'll open the hair in twos. This is the hair. So, you know, normally this is my usual way of twisting. Yeah. But people twist the other way. So if you're twisting the other way, you know, when I'm twisting this way, I twist left hand out, right hand in. But if you are braiding the other way, it's going to be left hand in, right hand out. So it's going to be this way. You get going to be that way. So it's going to be like this. You take it, you twist it, you twist, you twist. Let me bring it closer. So look at it. You twist like this, twist like this. I'll show you how the both of them is when I finish. So you're twisting out, in, out, in. Whichever one you feel like is convenient for you is what I think you should jump on. Yeah. But for me, the both of them are okay, but it's just that I'm used to twisting the right to the right, not to the left. Twisted both ways, like going to this side and going to the other side. Now let's take a close look at it to see the difference. So yeah, look at these two now. If you look closely, you see that let me use these two because they are almost of the same size. Look, this one is coming this way. The twists are going this way. But this other one is coming this way, that way. It doesn't make any difference. It's same hair. And sometimes if you don't pay close attention, you might not know which one is going which way, which one is going that way. But for braiders like me, if I see someone's hair, I'll know, okay, there are two people that made this hair, or maybe two pattern on this hair. One is to the left, one is to the right. I would know. But for people that are not very good with making hair, or maybe they don't know, they might not really observe the difference. But for me, this is it. Look at it. This is the hair. So this is how twisting is being done. Please, if you know that this content has been valuable to you, or is valuable to you, or is going to be valuable to someone that you know, or that knows somebody that it will be valuable to, share the video. Okay, give the video a big thumbs up. All right, subscribe to the channel and do every other good stuff. All of these things I've just mentioned, they are for free. You already have the data on your phone. It's not like you're paying extra money. Okay, so this is the hair we've just finished. Yes, if you like the video, please do it. Whether you like it or not, please whether you like it or not, please click the like button. Do well to share the video, and I'll see you again in my next one. Until then, bye. You want to say bye? Bye.